At Northwestern Ohio Security Systems, we know keeping your loved one safe is essential. That's why we want to introduce our new convenient online shop, DIY Home Security. Our products are commercial grade, made in the USA, and come with a 1-year warranty. Join me as we take a look at some of our featured products. Our touchscreen keypad is a user-friendly tabletop unit that is the central command center for your security system. This sensor detects the sound of breaking glass up to 20 feet away. During an alarm, this device emits a 110 decibel siren. This personal life safety device can be worn as a necklace or a bracelet. This detects motion using passive infrared technology. Alert dispatchers immediately during an emergency with the single press of a button. Our window entry sensor detects if a window is being opened while the system is armed. Our heat detector has a combination of rate of rise and fixed temperature sensors. This device is similar to our window contact, except that it detects a door opening. Our photoelectric detector alerts you when it senses smoke. Control your entire security system wherever you go with our virtual keypad app. Receive text alerts, set schedules, and even connect smart home devices. To learn more about our products and packages, visit us at shop.nwas.com.